Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be like a smothered slash stewed chicken with rice and gravy and baked sweet potatoes. So we're gonna start here for the seasons that we'll be using for our chicken. We have onions, green bell peppers, red, yellow, and orange bell peppers. We have coarse salt, ground black pepper, garlic, and onion powder, buttery poultry blend, roasted garlic, and poultry season. And we're gonna make it in a casserole cooker. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, that way you're notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the video. Alright crew, so the queen gonna make some chicken broth. She's gonna put some margarine in. Let the people know what that is. It's chicken bouillon and vegetable seasoning. No salt, salt free. And then she have some cubes of chicken bouillon here. And this is the broth that she will be pouring in our casserole cooker. She gonna go in with 4 cubes.
You told them I didn't add salt.
Yeah, there's no salt in there, only just the chicken bouillon and salt-free vegetable seasoning. Let us know what y'all cooking today if y'all cooking, and also let us know how y'all doing in the comment section below. The queen and I in the kitchen again to cook for the family. So she gonna let this boil, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm probably gonna add another bottle of water just so I can have extra broth. You never have enough broth.
So if y'all don't want to boil your chicken and vegetables and all that stuff, this is just a quick and easy way to make your broth without boiling the chicken and the vegetables, by using chicken bouillon cubes, margarine, and no salt vegetable seasoning. So she's gonna allow this to boil and allow all the flavors to concentrate together. Alright, so we're gonna go in with red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, green bell peppers, our onion,
The way he slapped that onion in there, y'all.
roasted garlic. Don't judge me. Buttery poultry blend by Kindle.
You just bought that.
Oh Lord.
And we're gonna put some more on top of the chicken, y'all. We just layering.
Poultry seasoning. Hey, be easy with this because of the sage that's in it. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Ground black pepper. It smells amazing already. Coarse salt. We're gonna give this a little mix.
He did just mix it like that. He's so funny. He's so funny. I got a touch, y'all. I'm sorry.
And I'm going in with our country crock margarine. Original.
That do smell good.
Yep. Just gonna place them in the casserole cooker. And now we're gonna go back in with the same seasoning.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
The only place we're gonna get salt from is from the bouillon cube, the salt that was in the bouillon cube. We want our meal to be seasoned to perfection, but not salty. They can add salt if they need.
How much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know. Oh, you're the only one for me. No one else. I'm gonna shout it out. Yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know.
Just gonna put enough to cover it for the first couple hours, and if we need to adjust that liquid, we'll come back and we will. But we definitely want to let y'all know if we adjust the liquid. So yeah. We're gonna put the top on it, and we got it on 375 for 3 hours. And it's on roast. Alright y'all, just giving y'all a close up. Alright, crew, so we got home style chicken gravy that we're gonna pour in there. And I took some of the liquid reserve from here, we pour in here. And we're gonna shake this up and put this in there. Then we're gonna put it on a medium low heat and allow it to simmer until it thicken up. Alright guys, so this gonna be stewed chicken. So we pour our gravy in there as y'all seen. And look at that. And like when I tell y'all the flavors are really good. Like you can taste all the peppers, you can taste the onion, you can taste that buttery poultry season. Like it's really good. That's that famous close-up. Southern style stewed chicken. And I went in with a fork and just broke it up a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna serve this over some rice along with some green beans and a baked sweet potato.
Can I have my props?
Yes.
Can I have?
So I must say, Queen was talking about it this morning in the room, and I'm like, huh? And I was like, okay, whatever. So she did it. But when I tell y'all, because when we was talking about it, we're gonna keep it real. When we was talking about it, I said, what you gonna do? Either roast it or bake it? What? And I'm like, well, it's gonna be either chicken or gravy, or we're gonna do stewed chicken. So I was like, hey, stewed chicken, it is. Mm-hmm. So baby did her thing.
Because he was gonna put it in the oven, and I said, no, we're gonna use the casserole cooker. And one thing about Jordan, if y'all don't know him, he do not like using crock pots. He don't use rice cookers or none of that. And I'm not a huge fan of it, but when I'm doing chicken or like roast and stuff, yeah, I like to do it in here because I can cook it all day and still make it homemade. But I'm teaching them, y'all. I'm teaching them a little something.
Not my forte. I'm old school.
Right. But it tastes really good in here.
Yeah, it's real good. And to be honest, this is even though this is a casserole cooker, it's like a pressure cooker.
Right.
Like, cause it only took like an hour for this to cook, and then I simmered it for like 15 to 20 minutes. Then I allowed the liquid to cook down. Then I put the gravy in there, and I got it on a low simmer, and it's just keeping it warm until I fix y'all the plate. So for our sweet potatoes that we have here, we have 6 large sweet potatoes. The queen's gonna bake those, and she have vanilla extract, nutmeg, and brown sugar. And she also will be adding cinnamon in there. And she probably add a little ginger too. Alright, crew, so the queen about to make her syrup for her sweet potatoes. Go ahead, love. Tell the people what you have here.
2 cups of packed brown sugar. I had it in here. I put it in here. And I used a teaspoon of salt, because you always want to balance. I use my hand to measure, so don't judge.
That's ginger.
Ginger.
Nutmeg.
I use more nutmeg, because I like nutmeg. You measure it to your taste. I can't tell you.
Cinnamon.
It's power, too much can be too much, but this enough for me. I'm going to taste it, and if I need more, I'll add more.
She's going to go in with 1 stick of imperial margarine and some vanilla extract.
And this imitation, it'll work. I just use more because it's imitation.
Alright, so she's going to get us a mix, and then once everything melt and come together, I'll take y'all to the next step. Alright, crew, so we have our sweet potatoes in the pan lined with foil. She's going to put these in the oven and bake them at 350 degrees for 1 to 2 hours or until they tender. And the syrup that she made will be for once you cut it open, you can put it over your sweet potato. Alright, crew, the stewed chicken is done. And we did green beans and a baked sweet potato with a brown sugar buttery glaze. And here's the stewed chicken over rice. Here's the smothered green beans with onions. And here's our baked potato with our glaze. If you're new to the channel and you're seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, that way you're notified when I upload a video. Comment and like the video. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.